A lot of students, they really don't know what they want to do when they graduate, or they don't even know if college is the best fit for them. So teachers, I have a proposition for you. Here at the Polytechnic campus at Arizona State University, we have a wonderful opportunity for you to bring your students on campus. For a lot of students, being comfortable with their decision comes with a lot of anxiety, and we're here to try to help alleviate some of that anxiety. And we do so by giving students a lot of one-on-one interaction, a lot of person-to-person, peer-to-peer interaction, so students always feel supported when they're attending university level. We like to provide a field trip option to give students an experience on campus where they get student-to-student interaction with our faculty. They get a really immersed experience in our labs, and we think it's a great way to get students exposed to the Polytechnic campus and the wonderful things that we can provide. We hope to see you in the fall, and thanks again for your interest and participation in getting students a wonderful field trip experience for this upcoming semester.